Welcome students. In this session, our topic is national income. In this national income, the subtopic of national income is measuring method of national income. So, in last video, we are already discussed output method. Today's today's method is income method. So, what is income method? Income method is also called factor cost method. This this is the estimation of this is the estimates national income from the distribution side. According to this method, the income payment received by all citizens of a country in a particular year are added up. That is, incomes that accrue to all factors of production by way of rent, wages, interest, and profits are all added together. But income received in the form of transfer payment are ignored. The data pertaining of income are obtained from different sources, for instance, income tax return, reports, books of accounts, as well as estimate of small incomes. GNP can be treated as the sum of factor incomes earned as a result of undertaking economic activity on the part of resource owners and reflected in the production of the total output of goods and services during any given time period. So, GNP according to income method is calculated as follows. National income is equal to rent plus wages plus interest plus profit plus mixed income, and X minus M means net income from abroad. Abroad, X means export and minus M means import, and mixed income means uh, person earn income from various sources. So, uh, all these factors remuneration when added up, then in an economy, then we get the national income. But simultaneously the transfer payments are ignored in this national income. uh, what are the precautions of while estimating the national income by income method? Following are the precautions. Transfer income. Transfer income. What is called transfer income? Transfer income means only the income transfer from one person to another person. It is also called transfer payment. So, what is the form of transfer income? Scholarships, gifts, donation, dowry, charity, old age pensions, unemployment allowance, etc. So all these type of transfer payments should be ignored while estimating the national income by income method. Why this transfer payment avoid? Because of national income is the money value of all goods and services which are produced in a current year, which are produced. Produce means any commodity produced by this firm or a person. So the value of production which is considered in national income. But this transfer income is without any participation of the production activity. Person received the remuneration or income from another person. For example, scholarship. Scholarship received by student to the from the government without any participation of the economic activity or a production activity by student. So it is a only transfer income from government to students. Then uh, old age pension. Old age pensioner not work they are retired persons, so they receive the pension from government. Then government paid the pension to the age old person without any participation of the production activity. So it is the income of the government which is transferred from government to old age pensioners. Unemployment also, unemployment allowance. The unemployed people are not participate any production activity. Without participation they received allowance. So all these type of the transfer payment should be ignored. Then second one, all unpaid services like services of housewife, unpaid, without any payment. Only they participate in the product without any paid, means not received by this person the money value. For example, housewife, without any payment, they work in her house. So housewife services are not paid services. So the value of the services of housewife are not considered in this national income, because of the national income is the money value, means the every product received the value. Then in this case a teacher also teaching his child or their children without any payment, without any receipt fees. So it is also one of the unpaid service. So all these unpaid services should be ignored. Then any income from sale of second hand goods, already these points discussed in output method. Second hand goods means the value of the second hand goods already considered in the previous year's national income. So it is a possibility of the double counting. To avoid the double counting, second hand goods value um, not considered in estimating of national income. Then income from sales of shares, bonds. Sales and bonds are the money capital, not real capital. It is not a, they are not product or a goods or a services. So the income, sale of the shares and bonds should be ignored. They do not add anything to the real national income, because of money value of the real GNP, gross national product, which is called national income. So it is not considered. Then next one, revenue received by the government through the direct taxes should be ignored, uh, as it is only the transfer of income. When any person earn money income from any institution, then he received payment. In this payment, in this payment, direct taxes also include. Suppose, for example, a person received payment 50,000. His salary, gross salary is 50,000. Then the where he work, this institution deduct the direct taxes like income tax, professional tax, deduct from his gross salary. Then he received net payment. So direct tax, which is already considered in the accounting of national income, in the payment of this person. So it to avoid the double counting, direct taxes which is received by government is not considered, or it should be ignored, because of it is the only transfer income without any participation of the government in the production activity. Government received this and the taxes, so it is the transfer income. So transfer income should be ignored, not considered, because of only the production activity, the value of productions considered in the national income. So direct taxes also ignored while estimating of national income by income method. All these are the precautions should be taken by the government while estimating national income. So all these are the precautions. This is the income method. Thank you.